Hey there, food lovers! Ready to ditch the meat and discover a whole new world of flavor? Today, we're diving into a delicious and healthy homemade veggie burger recipe. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Get ready for a burger experience that's good for you and bursting with taste. This recipe is perfect for everyone, whether you're a seasoned veggie enthusiast or just starting your plant-based journey. We'll guide you through each step, making sure you feel confident and excited to create your own burger masterpiece. So put on your apron and let's get cooking. Before we begin our culinary adventure, let's gather our ingredients. This is the first step to creating a delicious and nutritious veggie burger. Don't worry, we're using simple, everyday ingredients that you can easily find at your local supermarket. Here's what we need to make our perfect veggie burger. 1 can of black beans, rinsed and drained. These will form the base of our burger, providing a hearty texture. 1 cup of cooked quinoa. This superfood will add a nutty flavor and a boost of protein. 1/2 cup of chopped vegetables like carrots, zucchini or mushrooms. These will add color, crunch and a variety of nutrients. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This will help bind our ingredients together and add a touch of healthy fat. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder for that extra kick of flavor. 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder to enhance the savory taste. And a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. These will bring all the flavors together. These ingredients not only add fantastic flavor but also pack a nutritional punch, making our burger both tasty and healthy. Black beans are loaded with protein and fiber, essential for a balanced diet. While quinoa provides essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. The veggies bring vitamins and antioxidants, crucial for maintaining good health, making this burger a true champion of healthy eating. Enjoy the process and savor every bite of your homemade veggie burger. Now let's get our hands dirty and create the heart of our veggie burger, the patty mix. This is where all the magic happens, transforming simple ingredients into a delicious, hearty patty. Grab a large bowl and add the rinsed and drained black beans. These beans are packed with protein and fiber, making them a perfect base for our burger. Using a fork or a potato masher, mash the beans until you achieve a slightly chunky texture. This step is crucial for the right consistency. We don't want them completely smooth, as a bit of texture adds to the burger's heartiness. Those little chunks will give a satisfying bite. Next, add the cooked quinoa to the bowl along with the chopped vegetables, olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. These ingredients will add flavor and nutrition. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring all the ingredients are well combined. Take your time with this step to make sure every bite is flavorful. The mixture should hold together nicely, but don't worry if it feels a bit wet. This is normal and will help in forming the patties. We'll take care of that in the next step. Get ready to shape and cook these delicious patties. Section 4. Shaping your burger dreams. Now comes the fun part, shaping our patties. If the mixture feels too wet, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour at a time, mixing well after each addition. The flour helps bind the ingredients and creates a firmer texture for our patties. Divide the mixture into 4 equal portions. Using your hands, gently form each portion into a patty about 1/2 inch thick. Remember, veggie burgers tend to be a bit more delicate than their meaty counterparts, so handle them with care. Section 5. Cooking to golden perfection. It's time to cook our veggie burger masterpieces. These patties are packed with flavor and nutrients, making them a delicious and healthy choice. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat. This ensures even cooking and prevents the patties from burning. Add a drizzle of olive oil to prevent sticking. Olive oil not only prevents sticking, but also adds a subtle richness to the patties. Once the skillet is hot, carefully place the patties onto the hot surface. Be gentle to maintain their shape. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes per side, or until they develop a beautiful golden brown crust and are heated through. This crust adds a delightful texture. While the patties are cooking, it's the perfect time to toast your burger buns. This step is crucial for a perfect burger. You can toast them in a toaster, oven, or even on the skillet alongside the patties. Each method gives a slightly different texture. Toasting adds a lovely crunch and enhances the overall burger experience. A well-toasted bun can make all the difference in your final dish. Section 6. Building your ultimate burger. Our veggie patties are cooked to perfection, and our buns are nice and toasty. It's time to assemble our ultimate veggie burgers. Grab your favorite burger toppings: lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, avocado. The possibilities are endless. Spread your favorite condiments on the toasted buns. Carefully place a cooked veggie patty on the bottom bun and pile on your desired toppings. Place the top bun on top, and there you have it. A delicious and healthy homemade veggie burger that's ready to be devoured. Enjoy your burger masterpiece.